Hello, I'm Sandra Andrews, and I am standing on the giant Surface here at the Microsoft AI Tour. We're excited to celebrate how you can unlock AI transformation with Surface. Copilot is here, and we're moving forward in this era of AI. Here we are talking about the craft of Surface, how purposefully we have designed from the inside and the outside our Surface devices, all with innovation and no compromises. The camera, the silicon, the hardware, the keyboard, every bit of it has been thought through with all of the details. And here's how we showcase that coming to life at the Microsoft AI Tour. The AI Tour is about getting hands-on. This is where we are talking with our customers and developers about the most intelligent PC you can buy, the Copilot+ PC. Showcasing on Surface AI transformation, AI Foundry, our new solutions, as well as all that can be done with the NPU on the edge. The world has changed. We've moved from digital transformation to AI transformation. As we've heard, companies want to see that productivity and security and the benefits. It comes to life with AI on a Surface Copilot+ PC. Power the possible, AI in education. Surface is leading with industry and EDU. Microsoft solution partners from industry to silicon to resellers are here taking AI to the next level, showcasing solutions from productivity like Microsoft 365 to industry-specific ISVs. We are here seeing AI in action.